Hi, in this video today I'm going to try to get this machine out of descaling mode. I've already descaled it twice and I cannot get it to come out of the descale mode. You can see that we've got the red and the yellow light up the top here. So I've already put the fluid through the descaling solution, so I know it is descaled on the inside, but the machine doesn't realise it. So I'm going to try to cheat. I'm going to go through the process again, but the reason it keeps failing is because it overheats, because it's trying to flush through so much water that it overheats on me. If you leave it for more than 2 minutes, you need to start the process all again. So I'm in this like vicious spiral of descaling all the time. So what I've done this time is I've just got a cup full of water that I put in the back here. Roughly around 300 millilitres, roughly around maybe half a pint, 10 fluid ounces. So put a container in the front here so you can collect the amount of water that's going to come through the back here. So this container will easily hold that. So what we first of all want to do is make sure that there's no pods in the machine. So if you do that, the pod's going to fall towards the back. Right now there's no pods in here, and then we're going to close it. We need to turn the machine off. So we're going to hit the lever down for 3 seconds and that will turn the machine off. Now it's off. Now we're going to hold this button down and the lever for around 4 or 5 seconds until an orange light comes on. So let's do that now. Holding both of them down. And now we've got the orange light on. We now need to let it know that to put it into descale mode. So we're going to hit down here once. And now you can see that the orange is flashing. We now need to tap this top button. And now it's gone into descale mode. We have to make sure that it runs right the way through until it's completely dry. This will, with this amount of water, probably take around just under 10 minutes. So we're just going to fast forward through this bit. Okay, sounds like it's turned itself off now. It's been about 4 minutes. You need to make sure you do this next part within 2 minutes, otherwise it resets. So now I'm going to add another cup of water to the back. This is where you rinse it. But remember, we don't need to rinse it because we've already cleaned out all the solution from it. I've done it previously twice. So I'm going to hit this top button now, and now it's going to start rinsing. But what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to let it rinse all the way through. I'm going to manually stop it and try to fool the machine into getting out of descale mode. So what I'm now going to do is hit this top button here. Try that again. Right, so I've stopped it there now. I'm now going to hit the lever and the top button for about 3 seconds. And let's see if the orange light changes into a green light. There we go, green light. Hopefully now we've fooled this machine into no longer being in descale mode. So let's turn this off by holding it down for 3 seconds. And now I'm going to turn it back on. This way now I haven't let the machine overheat and then it will fail the cycle. So let's turn it on now. And let's see if it's going to go to red and yellow. Result, at long last, we've got a solid green light. So let it cool for a good 10 minutes because it's got quite a lot of warmth to it. Hopefully then you'll be able to use the machine as normal and the descale procedure will be finally finished. Right, so it's been 10 minutes now, so I'm just going to turn it back on. Now I have to make clear that this has already been descaled twice and it's been flushed out on both of those times. So there's no descaling solution in here. Don't do what you've seen in this video with real descaling solution in here because you haven't rinsed it through, and then somebody's going to end up having a coffee that's going to be full of descaling solution. I put fresh water, tap water, through here on this process, so that's why I was happy to cut it short when it came to the actual rinsing, because I know that there's no descaling solution in here. So I just wanted to make that clear. You can see now we have the solid green light, which is nice. So even after 10 minutes of waiting, it's heated up again and we've got rid of the red yellow light. And just to finish off the video, I just want to pop a capsule in, just make a cup of coffee just to make sure it's still green on top. And as you can see, it's still green and we now have a lovely cup of coffee. So hopefully this would have helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. If you found another way of doing it, put it down into the comment section down below, because you may help other people out watching this video trying to solve the problem of not being able to get rid of the red yellow light when you've already descaled it many times. Thanks for watching.